So, if you've ever been online searching for earbuds, and I've been searching for earbuds, or had been searching for earbuds because I was having some issues with my ears, and I'm not used to riding with a bike that makes a lot of noise, exhaust wise. So earbuds I thought would be a good idea. So once I started searching, all of a sudden all I saw was ads for this company here. Where am I? This company. I think they're called Loop. But I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money because number one is I didn't really know how good they would be, and I've used like the 3M ones, like the construction style ones, and I wasn't a big fan of them. So I was like, maybe my ears just don't like earplugs, maybe. So I bought these minus 27 dB. So I want to give you my experience with these riding a motorcycle, as well as my experience with Loop. Okay, so number one, they make different ones, right? So you'll see there's the Quiet Element Edition, right? So you're looking at about $26 for the Quiets, which is these ones. They come in a bunch of colors. I got black, but you can get a whole bunch of colors, which is fine. And 4.5 stars. Everybody loves them. Okay, and I'm gonna say that I love them as well. And they do make like a higher end one. Which it's funny when you go to the Help Me Choose, they'll kind of say, like, if you're motorcycle riding, muffle most noises, medium noise minus 27 dB, which is this, right? Hear everything just a bit less loud, right? 18, and then the option to switch between the two, right? So I just this was fine, right? Get it this, just show me the results, right? You don't need all this. Quiet. Right? Now, if you want to be able to switch between them, then you can go and there's all kinds of options. I get on motorcycle riding and I want the option to be able to hear everything, whatever. Then they'll get you into the pros, $60. I definitely didn't want to spend that. Anyways, so I bought them, and I'll open these for you, and you'll see that I can't open them. That you live life at your volume, just in case you didn't know. Silence, please. Yeah. Minus 27 dBs. Empty. One size doesn't fit all. Now, just before you see this, okay? So here's another box of them. Same deal. And here, these ones haven't even been opened yet, because there's a few things that happened. So I'm gonna open these for you, brand new, right out of the box. Okay, so open, same deal. Okay, and one size doesn't fit all. There's the case. This, again, you saw me open it, right? There's a little case, and there's all the earbuds, which is cool, right? You can make sure that these all fit your ears properly. And I didn't get black. I think I got blue. Right? Yeah, because those tips, I think they're like bluish, right? Yes, you guys see that, right? Bluish, yes? Okay. So here's the story. And it has nothing to do with the earplugs themselves. It has to do with this stupid case. This case right here, right? You guys see it? Right? There's the case, right? Where am I? I'm trying to get on the camera here. Loop. Yes? Loop. This case, in my opinion, is garbage. Absolute garbage. I don't trust wearing this. Now, this was the issue. I had this on my keychain, on my motorcycle keychain, so that, your earbuds are in it, right? You open this up, right? There it is. There's your earbuds. Yeah, blue, right? Very cool. And I basically, you may be able to see it here. It's just like this little plastic little hinge right here. I honestly wish they would just put it in a tube that you could like twist, like just seal up, or not have a hinge and have this, you screw this on, right? So that it seals better, because this area here, I don't know what happened. It broke. It just broke. It's on my keychain. It's not as if I'm doing anything exciting with it. It goes in my pockets and then it sits in the ignition of my motorcycle. And I don't. It's probably the keys that I use the least because really I'm not riding that often. It's not as if I drive to work or anywhere. I work here, right? So this broke, and what happens is that I had one of the earbuds, but I couldn't find the second one when it broke. So I didn't know where it was. So I contacted Loop, and I was like, "Hey, your case is crap. Your case is crap." And because of that, I lost my earbuds, and I've had these like for maybe a week or two, and uncool. So they're like, "Oh, yeah, we can send you some earbuds at a discounted price." I'm like, "No, no, 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 no. Your case broke. My earbuds gone. Now you want me to pay for more so that this can happen again?" So then they're like, "Oh, we'll just send you another pair." I'm like, "Yeah, that should have been your response in the first place." So just so you guys are aware, don't let them be like, "We'll give you a discount." No, their stuff breaks. This, if you go online, carry case, $13. The case itself seems like it's half the price, right? And it breaks. Now I do kind of like this. It's funny. It's carry cord. It's just really just a loopy thing. But I may put like a carabiner or something like that on my keychain so that I can put my earbuds on it, because I'm not a fan of this. Not at all. Needless to say, I found the second earbud. It had fallen, but on the ground, and I found it like probably a week or so later. So I gave it a good wash and stuff like that, and I've been using them, which are good. So this is them, and again, the luckily for me, the default ones that come with them work great, like they work really good, and that's them there. Now, is the Loop do anything exciting? I have no idea. I don't know the technology behind it, but I do know that number one, really comfortable, especially even when you're wearing like a full face helmet or anything, because of the way they're styled. Right, you put them in like this so that your loop's on the outside, right? So you guys see that, right? The loop's kind of facing toward the front, and then you spin it so that it goes in your ear, and then the loop is sitting inside it, right? You guys see that right there, right? So it just kind of sits in there. Same thing on this side, goes in like so, right? So you get it in there, you pop it in the corner, and then you kind of spin it around, and you're good, right? It's in there, and that loop's not going in your ear, which is super awesome, right? And for me, the 27 decibel, I know they can say you can go minus 27 up to minus 18 if you want the Pro. For one, I don't need them to switch. I need it for one purpose and one purpose only. That's riding a motorcycle. They fit fantastic, at least for me. And again, you can put different size tips on them if you choose. Then you take them and put them in this horrible case. I don't know if anybody else has got that experience, but not good at all. Anyways, you put them in there. You wear them. I'm going to find some other way of carrying them. Right now, with the other ones that I have a cup holder. It sounds funny. I have a cup holder on my motorcycle, and when I'm done, I take them out of there and I throw them in my cup holder. I'm not going anywhere. It works, right? It's not classy by any means. And usually if I have a cup in there, two things. Most of the time I'm wearing them anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But if I'm not, if they sit underneath the cup, it doesn't, whatever, it's fine. So for about $30, and you can get these on Amazon. I got mine on Amazon. I believe I got mine on Amazon. Yeah, they're great. And one thing I like about them too is that they really seem to get rid of like that low end noise, so that the sound of the motorcycle, right? So I can be riding and it's very peaceful. And what I like about it is I have a stereo on my motorcycle. I have to crank up the stereo a little bit louder than I normally would, but I'm on the highway, who cares, right? Nobody else is hearing it at that speed. But I can listen to my music just fine. It sounds great. Again, I just have to turn it up a little bit louder just because, it's taking some of that sound away. But because it really seems to be focused on like that mid to low noise, right? That sound area, to get rid of like that motorcycle, right? They were great. I'm very pleased with them. This case is garbage, absolute garbage. I don't trust it at all. No. So if you buy them, find some other way, I think, of storing these. I may honestly just get like an old aspirin container or something like that, like that small, and just put them in there when I'm done. Something, because then I can seal it and throw it in the back of the bike. All right, guys, these are the Loop Quiets. Loop Quiets. Free shipping over $35, which, you know what? They should just have free shipping, because I get free shipping. I get free shipping if you buy it from Amazon, right? So buy it on Amazon. That's what I'm telling you. Buy it on Amazon. You get free shipping anyway, and that's probably a better deal. And you can return them if you don't like them. Yeah, I think I bought mine from Amazon. Now I don't even know. Anyways, I'll put links down below, and that's it. All right, my friends, that's my story. Loop earplugs. The Quiets are great for motorcycle riding. I'm pleased. All right, my friends, that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that little notification bell. We'll have more videos coming out tomorrow, and we'll see you guys then. Links down below. I'm out. Later.